Cureskin changed my face, changed my life, because every girl likes her face and hair very much. So it's a great achievement for me through Cureskin. Thank you so much. During the lockdown period, suddenly my skin like dullness and like some dark spots, pigmentation, everything surrounding my areas of my face. I visit near of my areas one dermatologist. There was little bit okay, but I'm not able to use all of this product. After that, I searching in YouTube and FB also, and I got Cureskin's details. Actually, when I used in the first month, that day what happened? Some like a little bit of small size of pimples come out my skin, and after sometimes I'm not facing any much more problem. But right now is you can see my face. Maybe little bit of pigmentation here, and it will be cured maybe, I hope. We just have to keep patience. Patience provide us the positive result, and I really thankful to the dermatologist who provide me all of these suggestions. 1 year running, I am using only Cureskin products. Day by day, it's growing. Day by day, it's much better. Here in Assam, lots of people are using this Cureskin.